this is Rohan back again and welcome back to another tech video, and today I'm gonna tell you the configuration as best as possible under 30k for a PC with 1080p gaming and also with 60 fps. Smoothness. The smoothness will be very good, guys. I will be showing you all the configurations including the processor and all the price details, and also I'll give the links in the description so that you can if you are interested you can purchase it from the description links which I'll provide you. Okay, coming to the first thing of this PC, we will be concluding the first is the processor. The first processor is the AMD processor, which is of Ryzen 3400G. This has a very good clock speed and supports 1080p gaming up to 60 fps, and also has many other features. It's a 4-core 8-thread processor with Ryzen CPU. This build technology is 12 nanometer. That is a Zen Plus Zen Plus build technology. That's a Vega 11 graphics iGPU, and also but it can 32 means like if you tune the graphics you can also get a maximum of 60 fps, guys. That's a great thing. And coming to the price of this processor, we get this processor at 14,000 rupees, which is half of our budget, and remaining 16,000 rupees we will be using it for the motherboard and power supply and all others. And also, guys, if you want this PC build is only non-RGB PC build. If you want RGB fans, you can you need to purchase it by you. I think so. Each RGB fan is 500 rupees. Extra 1500 rupees you need to use for the RGB build. If you are not interested in RGB build, you can use it normally like this. This comes at 30,000 change and 30,300 rupees. And coming to the second thing is the motherboard. I am selecting the MSI motherboard, which is a Pro Max motherboard, which is the cheapest motherboard in MSI. This model is A320M motherboard. This is very good motherboard at the price point. The price comes with 5,000 rupees, that is 4,225. I had done it like a round figure. It's just 4,225 rupees motherboard. It's a good thing for the processor. In this budget, it's considerable. And coming to the RAM sticks, we will be considering the Gigabyte 8GB RAM sticks. If you want the good performance, you can if you want 8GB RAM, you for better performance you better take 2 4GB RAM sticks. That would be better to insert in the motherboard. But if you for the best experience, if you can add still more money, you can also have 2 8GB RAM sticks, that is total 16GB of RAM, which will be amazing compared to the 8GB one. The 8GB is good for basic gaming and editing. That's also good thing. The RAM stick, that is a single 8GB, comes at 3,200 rupees. If your budget is very tight and if you are if you don't want to expand the money further, you can stay back with this. But if you can afford still 5,000, you can also have a good a gigabyte processor. That's it. The RAM stick, the 2 8GB RAM sticks. And also, before I have told you these about this process, others. And that's the RGB fans. Then you can the budget will be 35,000. If your strict budget is 30,000, you can go with these details. Okay, coming to the SATA, this is the storage. The next thing is storage. That is a 1 TB SATA cable hard drive. If you want a hard drive disk, you can go with this hard drive, or else if you want a SSD, also you can go with a less storage one. That is a little bit disappointing. But if your main point is about storage, you can go with this. But compared to SSD and HDD, the speed of HDD will be a bit more than HDD. If you are okay with that, you can go with the HDD, or else you can go with the SSD, which a little degraded storage. With this price of this 1 TB hard disk drive is 3,250 rupees. And coming to the next is the case. It's like a holder, like a hole. That's the main thing of a PC. This is a holding thing. This is the Corsair Carbide series Spec 5 mid tower gaming case. It's just a black color which has the side glass tint. We have this case is very good. I like the design. That design is very good and elegant. It's just decent, not like a pro gaming PC. I like it. The price of this case comes at 2874. That is the round figure is 3000 rupees. And next, coming to the power, this is the Gigabyte P450B 80 plus bronze SMPS power connections. This is I don't know the wattage, but the price of this power supply is 2689 rupees. And coming to a total price, we have first the processor is 14,000 rupees and the motherboard is 4,225 rupees and the memory comes at 3,200 rupees. And if you want a extra 8 GB, you can purchase the two 3,200 rupee ones, that is the 8 GB RAM sticks. And coming to the next one is the storage, that is a hard disk drive, is 3,250 rupees. And the PSU, that is the power connection, comes at 2,689 rupees. And case is 2,874 rupees, total with a bill of 3,227 rupees. But if you want some RGB lights and also you need a extra memory stick, that is a 8 GB RAM one, you can purchase, you can expand your budget to 35,000. You can go with that. The performance will be good. And coming to the thing right here, this is a budget build, guys. I like this specifications of this one, but right now I am not having all the components to assemble them. That's why I'm doing just giving specifications of all these. And also I'll give the links of the SDD also at the same price point. I'll try to give the SDD at the same price point. Okay guys, that's all for this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Rohan Tech. Thank you.